area of a trapezoid. So the area of a trapezoid, right, is the area, which is equal to 1/2, and then one side of that's parallel to the other. So we're going to go A is one side of the parallel lines, B is the other one. So that just indicates that, and then times the height. So another way we can look at this, right, is just 1/2 A plus B times the height. Or we could look at it as A plus B, which is in parentheses, over 2 times the height. And so if we were to show a trapezoid, so these are the parallel lines at the top and the bottom. So we can say this is A and this is B, and then the height is in between that. That's the height that we're looking at. So let's go ahead and look at the first example to see how this plays out. So we're going to just find the area of the trapezoid. So we see we have a lot of numbers, right? We have 5s on the side, we have a 4, a 6, and another height of 4, right? So 2 4s, 2 5s, and 1 6. Well, this 4 on the top, we can go ahead and just indicate that as our A. The bottom could be our B. And then our height is this 4. So let's go ahead and write this out. So we have 1/2, and then A, so that's going to be 4 plus 6 times the height, which is 5. So let's go ahead and do what's in the parentheses first. So 4 plus 6, that's 10, and then 5. Well, if we go 1/2 times 10, right, that's just 5, right? If we go ahead and look at this part first, this is 5, and then we have times 5. So that's just 25. And then there are no units, but we're going to go ahead and just go units squared. Doesn't matter what the units are, because it could be, right, inches, milliliters, anything, but we want to indicate that this is an area, so we just go units squared. Now, always feel free to get the calculator out. If you didn't want to go ahead and do that in your head, this is a place where you can get the calculator out and do it. Now, let's go ahead and look at the next example. So example 2, we're going to find the area of the trapezoid below. So on this one, if we look at it, we see our parallel lines are right here, right? This 5 and this 8. So we can go ahead and say this 5 is our A, this 8 is our B, this 6, right, because this intersects, right, like this is a straight line, so it, right, it has that kind of, right, it's going to be a 90-degree angle. So this is going to be our height. And then we don't care about the 7. It doesn't actually help us. So this indicates how the lines intersect, right? Now, let's go ahead and fill this out. Now, we can go 1/2, so 5 plus 8, and then times 6. So let's go ahead and do what's in the parentheses first. So 5 plus 8, that's 13. And then let's go ahead and calculate. Now, we can go ahead and go. Now we can go 0.5 because that indicates also, right, 1/2. And then we're going to go ahead and go times 13, then times 6. And what do we get? We get 39, and once again, we don't have units indicated like inches or anything like that, or centimeters, so we're just going to go units squared, and that will be our solution for this.